What's up, you guys? Bella Rose here on TechCity, and it's my first review of the year, and I think one in a while, of an actual gadget. And it is the Oraimo Freepods 2 Baba tuned edition. Now, in our previous review of the Oraimo Freepods, Shaliwa did an unboxing, and then she reviewed I choose to call them regular. She did an unboxing and review of the regular Freepods 2, but this is a slightly different version of the Freepods, and it is not only signed by Tubaba, but the guys at Oraimo say it is a Tubaba tuned edition. The warranty is 365 days. Now, when we look at the back of the pack, we see that it's got information about the audio quality and everything else about the Oraimo True Wireless half-in-ear earbuds. It's got rich sound, a comfortable fit, stay charged, touch controls, instant connection as well. I like the packaging. I'm almost rhyming with the colors. It's just a weird color scheme there that I'm following. So this is what you see. So this is the pod. The Freepods are inside the pod. Do people really get it though? Like, this thing's an actual pod. It's not the earpiece that is the pod. It's just random information thought to share. And then of course there's the USB cable and the manual. That's basically all the box comes with. This is not to compare the regular and the Tubaba edition, but I just want to do a slight comparison looking at the design. So first off, of course, the Tubaba tuned edition is black. I like the color exclusivity. The regular Freepods are white, but of course, when you look at it, this design is exactly the same. So this right here is what we got. It's got a very nice glossy and shiny feel that I absolutely like. And when you open it, there's a magnetic feel which kind of sucks in the Freepods when you put them into the pod or into the charging case. I think that's more familiar. Now let's go on to talk about the charger case, or the pod in this case. And the pod actually has a very solid battery life. On the box, it says that the battery life is up to 82 hours standby time, 3.5 hours playtime, 3 hours talk time, and the case provides up to 6 full charges. That is incredible. So that means that regardless of how low your Freepods are, your case can charge it 6 times for each time it goes off. To use the Freepods, you're going to have to pair it. Once it is connected, 2 things happen. 1, you're able to see the battery level of the pods, and 2, you actually hear Tubaba's voice say, connected. If you are a Tubaba fan like I am, this is a must-have. I need to give kudos to Oraimo on the choice of an ambassador. I think it was incredibly smart of them to make Tubaba their ambassador, because if you are a fan, then you must have this, because it's got Tubaba's phrase of the decade on it, one love, duh. And if you're a collector as well, you should totally get this. I know they had a good problem of maybe running out of stock when people were complaining about wanting this and not being able to get it. That was a fantastic problem because there was a lot of demand, and that's always good. So the color also is, I think, a collector's item. The regular pods come in white, but these are of course black and gold. Beautiful color selection, and of course the fact that it's got our faves signature on it, that I think is a major win. So the price point may be a bit of a challenge for some people, but if you don't mind, please go for it. Your fave is the ambassador, so why not? And that is all we have time for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you already have the regular Freepods, or if you have this one and what you like about it, or maybe you want to also upgrade. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel and follow us everywhere you go. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm Bella Rose from TechCity. Thanks for watching.